Hello students, welcome to all of you students. Today I'm going to teach you exercise 4C. In this exercise, we are going to multiply the given fractions. Okay, so let us do the first question. First question part A says 1 upon 5 multiply by 1 upon 4. So students, what we have to do, we just have to multiply the numerator to the numerator and the denominator with denominator. Okay, that's it. So we'll multiply 1 by 1 and 5 by 4. Okay, so 1 ones are 1 and 5 fours are 20. This is the answer. Is it simple? In the same way, we are going to do the second or B part, which is 1 upon 3 multiply by 7 upon 8. Okay, so what we will do, 1 into 7 upon 3 into 8. So 1 into 7 is 7 and 3 8s are 24. Okay, so this is the answer. Now C part is 1 upon 8 multiply by 7 upon 12. Okay, so write 1 into 7 upon 8 into 12 is equal to 7 ones are 7 upon 8 into 12. So 96. 7 upon 96, this is your answer. Okay students, now D part of question number 1 is 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 multiply by 3 upon 5. Okay, now in this question students, as you can see here, that we can reduce the number in cross. Okay, if there is a number which can be reduced in cross, then we have to reduce it. Okay, so 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3. 3 cancels each other. Now we have got 1 into 1, this 1 into 1 and this 5 into 1. Okay, so answer is 1 upon 5. Now next question, let us do question 2 and part A. 7 upon 4 multiply by 12 upon 21. Now, as you can see here, that we can reduce the number in cross. Look at this, 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21, and 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So what we have got here, 1 into 3, this 1 into 3 and this 1 into 3 in denominator. Now 3 upon 3. Now students, if we have same numbers, okay, if we have same numbers in numerator and denominator, they also cancel each other and the answer is 1. Okay, now B part of this question says 3 upon 4, 3 upon 4 into 1 upon 3. Okay, so as you can see here, that we can reduce this 3 with this 3. Okay, we can reduce the same number in cross. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. We have got 1 into 1, this 1 into 1 and this 4 into 1. Okay, so the answer is 1 upon 4. Clear? Now next question C says 1 upon 4 multiply 6 upon 5 multiply 8 upon 9 multiply 7 upon 12. Okay, so as we can see here, we can reduce so many numbers in cross. For example, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Okay, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Fine. So what we are left with, 1 into 1, 1 into 1 and into 2 into 7 upon 1 into 5 into 9 into 2. Okay, now students, as you can see here, this 2 and this 2 we can reduce also. Now 7 ones are 7, numerator will be 7 and 5 nines are 45. Okay, So 7 upon 45, this is your answer. Next, fourth part you will do. I'm going to tell you now. Question 3, part A, 1 upon 4 multiply by 4. Now you can see here, students, that there is nothing in the denominator of this 4. So when the denominator is not given, then we will take 1 in denominator. Okay, on uh, what I am saying, that if the denominator is not given, then we have to take 1 in the denominator. Now as you can see that 4 and 4 can cancel each other, so finally we are left with 1 into 1 in numerator and 1 into 1 in denominator, so 1 upon 1, so the answer is 1. Okay, now B, question number B is 3 upon 12 into 18. So we will take 1 in the denominator of 18. Now students, we can reduce by 3. 3 4s are 12 and 3 6 are 18. Now we can reduce by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. So finally we are left with 3 into 3 in numerator and 2 into 1 in denominator. So the answer is 3 3s are 9 and 2 1s are 2. 9 upon 2, this is the answer. Okay. Now let me tell you question number 4. Question 4 says, in part A, it says 2 whole 1 upon 2 into 4. Now we have to solve it. First of all, convert this mixed fraction into improper. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5. 5 upon 2 into 4. We will take 1 in denominator of this 4. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay. So 5 into 2, we will write 5 into 2 upon 1 into 1 in denominator. So 5 2s are 10 upon 1. Now students, when there is 1 in the denominator, so it is never written. You don't have to write 1 in the denominator, so the answer is only 10. Fine. Now B part of question 4 is 3 whole 5 upon 6 into 6. Okay, 6 into 6. Now what you have to do, change this mixed fraction into improper. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 5, 23 upon 6 into 6 upon 1. Okay, now you can see 6 6 cancel each other, so you will get 23 into 1 upon 1 into 1. So the answer is 23 upon 1, and upon when there is 1 in denominator, it is not written, so the answer is 23. Okay. Question 5, part A, 57 upon 75 into 7 whole 1 upon 2 multiply by 12 whole 1 upon 2. Okay. Now students, you will write 57 upon 75 into 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 1 15, 15 upon 2 you will write, and 2 into 12 is 24, 24 plus 1 25, 25 upon 2. Finally students, as you can see here, we can reduce 75 with 25, because 25 ones are 25, 25 threes are 75. Okay. Now again we can reduce 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. Okay. So 57 into 5 into 1 in numerator and 1 into 2 into 2 in denominator. So what is 57 into 5? 285 upon 4. This is your answer. Okay. In the same way, we have to do questions from 1 to 5. So your homework is question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to do all these questions and all the part. Each question consists 4 part, A, B, C, D. So you have to do question 1 to 5 and each part of it. Okay. Thank you, students.